Hello, you guys. So I am back again with a unit, a wig review. So thank you so much, IUZ Hair, for sponsoring this video. So let me just jump right into this packaging, okay? This is some of the best packaging I have received. This is a wonderful little bag that you can hang back up, zip closed, just to keep the unit fresh when you're not wearing it. And you can literally hang it up in the closet. Like, I wish all wigs came with this type of packaging. I just throw my wigs in like a bag. So this unit comes with two wig caps. As you can see, there is a lighter tan cap as well as a darker brown cap, which is wonderful. They're thinking of all skin tones. So let's go ahead and open the bag. As you saw, it does have a zipper feature, and the wig is actually being held on a hanger with a clip on it. This clip did not alter the unit or, make any dents in the unit at all. It is a very high quality hanger, and I was really super impressed. Like, they get a thumbs up just from the packaging alone. Like, it looked wonderful. And I actually didn't want to mess up the packaging. So this unit is named Raelle, Raelle. It is a T-part bob unit, and I believe this is a 12-inch. They do have a 14-inch option. Now, I urge you guys to visit their website. They have a very beautiful website, and they currently have free shipping over orders of $79 or more. And guys, be sure to use my coupon code QT15 to save 15% off your purchase with this company. So let's go ahead and dive right into the unit. This is a very beautiful T-part unit. You would not know it is a T-part unit if you did not know it. It definitely looks like a closure unit or a frontal unit. So I did first notice there is a bit of short hairs at the top of the unit, but I did notice the knots are very small near the front, but a bit large in the middle of the part. And this is what I mean by T-part. The lace only goes down the middle only. So this wig does feature a beautiful and sturdy elastic band with a clip feature. Very useful if you don't want to use the elastic band. It easily comes right out of the unit. It does have adjustable straps as well as 4 combs in the unit. So it's very secure and comfortable. The cap is very well made. And first impressions of this unit is really great. I'm loving this curl texture. Like, it literally doesn't look like I need to do anything with this unit. It's definitely going to be an effortless install for beginners. It comes with pre-parting, super easy for a beginner to install. Natural lace. It is pre-bleached and pre-plucked hairline. It blends well with all complexions as far as the lace, and it melts into your skin. And it's definitely low maintenance. It's 100% human hair, and it will last, you guys. So definitely an investment unit. And like I said, I'm loving this curl pattern and the natural hairline. Now I will go in and pluck this a little bit more to my liking, but as you can see, it does have that bleached effect. However, the knots are quite large in the middle of the parting space, so you will need some, additional bleaching or something. But I do notice that the knots in the front are less noticeable. So I will just go ahead and apply some mousse to this unit and go ahead and pluck it to my liking. This is not necessary, but I just want to pluck it just a little bit more so that the hairline is less dense. So this is how much I plucked. Not a lot at all. I do feel like when a wig is on a mannequin head, you don't pluck enough, but when it's on your real head, you'll pluck enough. So I did actually go back and pluck this some more when the wig was on my head. But I'm using my Remy wax stick to lay down some of those short hairs I was telling you guys about. It just has quite a few at the top, so this helped lay it down. And I'm going to go in with my hot comb and lay it down some more. But I will say this wig is extremely flat, and it barely needed any of this process at all. As far as the hot comb, it really didn't do much because the unit is very super flat at the top. It's not bulky and dense, which I absolutely appreciate. It doesn't take that much effort, so it's really natural and a natural density, which is great. Of course, adding some got to be spray just to help lay those flyaways down a little bit more, and going in with my dense board brush to just brush that down. Then I'm gonna go in and thin out the baby hair a little bit. And kudos to me, this is my first time using my wig head stand. I finally purchased a wig head stand, and yeah, I'm proud of myself, and it actually makes styling and plucking a lot easier. All right, so hey y'all. So definitely clean up any makeup or any oils with alcohol. And you want to go in and put some foundation on this lace. Yes, I will say one of the negatives, the lace is extremely too light, and you guys will see the evidence of this later. It's way too light for my skin tone. So you're going to need to add some foundation just lightly. I'm going in with the holy grail of lace bond sprays, my Even Lace Bond in the yellow bottle. They also have the red bottle, which is a more extreme hold. So right here, I'm spraying some on my forehead before I put the lace on, but I'm going to go in and correct that. I am a firm believer of cutting the lace first and laying it down later. Cutting the lace first and laying the wig down later. Comment down below if you guys spray first and cut later, or cut first and spray later. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this unit on my head. Like I said, I did not cut the lace yet. I should have cut the lace first and then laid it down. I just think that works better for me, cutting the lace first, then laying the wig down instead of vice versa. It just helps me know exactly where to put the wig with the lace cut first instead of cutting that second. So went ahead and put the wig on my head. The comfort level is about an 8.5 to 9, because as you can see, the ear tabs, I was struggling. The ear tabs can be a little bit tight, a little bit weird feeling. But here is the unit. I'm loving these curls, guys. Like, I don't have to style this unit at all. I don't think I'm even going to touch any heating tools. Like, it looks so natural and realistic. So like I said, I cut the lace second. I shouldn't have done that. I should have cut the lace first. And as y'all can see, I wanted to show you guys how white this lace is against my skin tone. In this case, I normally don't like brown lace, but in this case, I would have appreciated brown lace because this will just take a lot of tinting. I don't have lace tint, so I need to purchase some. But for right now, as y'all can see, this lace is not working. Yeah, so that is the biggest con I've ran into so far, was the lace color. But like I said, that can be corrected with maybe foundation or lace tint spray. So go ahead and lay the wig down for about 10 minutes. Ten minutes later, the lace is much more melted, but still too light, unfortunately. So right now I'm just separating those baby hairs and go ahead and giving them a little cut, make them a little bit shorter. And I definitely should have plucked this unit more, but I was scared of over plucking. But the hairline is still a little bit too dense for me. So I'm going in and adding some oil sheen. You always want to sheen your wigs up. I added a little bit additional concealer to my part just to make it stand out a bit more, but I should have plucked the hairline a little bit more. But I can say I am actually loving the end result. Y'all, I did not touch any kind of curling iron or flat iron with this unit. Y'all comment down below if you like this summer bob style. Like I said, this is a 12-inch, and be sure to use my coupon code QTE15 for a discount on your purchase. This is an absolutely gorgeous, effortless unit. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. I love this unit. Definitely follow me on Instagram as well, cutiepie88_hair. I appreciate you guys for watching. The link to this wig will be down in the description box. Okay, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.